Hello, everybody. It's me, Bokoy the Cool, and today I'm gonna be getting the multi-tool with only objects that I've collected before my tools disappeared. Here's all my items that I had before my tools disappeared. There's a purple gnome, some unobtainiums, an error, some van keys, a frozen bar, a holium bar, corrupted bar. I really need a corrupted bar for the thing. I have a hard candy. I already have like 8 of those hard candies though. I have a random painting. I have some purples. I have some swimming suits. I have a strange acorn, meteorite ore, which I'll need for meteorite stuff, but I don't have an element of the earth. A developer texture, and because this was from a long time ago, I haven't played this in a while. Oh God. Oh no. No. I'm dead. I thought I could survive with the lucky horseshoe. So first we need to get the stone. The actual first thing. Then I'll show you what I was trying to show you. So first we need to actually grab the items. The tools. I'm gonna put them up here. There. Now I need to get the stone tools, which I can just easily get using my molten. Oh my God. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna snap my fingers. The recording will cut, and I will have every ore necessary for to get the thing. 3, 2. Yeah, that transition was bad, but I actually got everything until gold. So let's start. The stone first. The rock, not stone. Let's actually do this. And then then we need the copper. There. Now silver. Oh, I know. Wait, do you get iron first or silver first? Let me check real quick. Now I want to use let's check. Okay, so it's iron first. Then I got all of that. Now it's the silver bar. Okay, now finally the gold bar. I'm gonna end at opulent, finally. And then next day I'm gonna go from opulent to, I don't know, maybe molten, I don't know. So now we need opulent tools. Hi, K-Man. I already got all of your stuff, so I'm just gonna go to the abyss. Ah! Okay, so now we need the item. Full axe. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. That's why there was no light. How there's... Couldn't see. I got 3 out of 1 marble log. Yo, that's crazy. Also, I'm... Why did it give me 6? Okay, we can check out the food box. Now we need to get to the greenhouse to do the opulent tools. Also, I've already gotten to true pickaxe, but I cannot get the true. I cannot. I dropped it into the void well. Then the rest of the items just got like I'm a swap with error. Okay. 1 second. Okay, I'm just gonna have the 6. Now that I have the... And the final thing, the marbled. So that's it for the opulent tools. Tomorrow, we are going to continue on this day. So I think this was about like 2 minutes. No, not 2 minutes. That's 10 minutes. 10 minutes? 20 minutes? I don't know. But I hope I see you again tomorrow. Peace.